Hello everyone, in this video we can solve this PEMDAS question. What is the answer of this question? Many people solve this question by this wrong method. First we do wrong method. Here first we do times. 9 times 9 gives us 81 plus 9 divide 9 times minus 9. Here 81 plus 9 gives us 90 divide 9 minus 9, and then 90 divided 9 gives us 10 minus 9, and finally subtraction. 10 minus 9 gives us 1. But believe me guys, this answer absolutely wrong because we didn't follow the rule of PEMDAS. Now here we do with right method. Right method. So here, before we do right method, we know that according to order of operation, which is called PEMDAS, here we follow the rule PEMDAS, where P, E, M, D, A and S. Means P for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition and S for subtraction. Now here in this expression only 4 symbols. One is multiplication, addition, division and subtraction. According to PEMDAS rule, first we do parenthesis, but in this expression there is no any parenthesis. Then exponent, we also know that there is no any exponent expression, so we do multiplication and division. Here we know that the multiplication and division have a higher priority than addition and subtraction. We always work from left to right. It means multiplication and division always work from left to right. So first multiplication, then division. Now here 9 times 9 gives us 81, then plus 9 divide 9 minus 9. Now first multiplication, then division. Here is division. 81 plus 9 divided 9 gives us 1 minus 9. Here addition and subtraction, same quality like multiplication and division. Addition and subtraction always work from left to right. Same rule applies, multiplication and division. So here in this expression, addition and subtraction. So first we do addition. 81 plus 1 gives us 82 minus 9, and finally here 82 minus 9 gives us here 73. This is the right answer. Tell me in the comment section what is your answer of this question. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.